Want to use your Atome Virtual Card for online payments? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, make sure your number is verified and your Atome profile is fully set up. Then look for the option that says Apply for the Atome card and tap on it. Choose the Apply for Free, pick your preferred card and color, and decide if you want a physical card or just a virtual one. Select No for virtual only, agree to the terms, tap Next, and complete identity verification by uploading the required documents and taking a photo. Once approved, your virtual card will be ready to use. To pay online or in apps, simply enter your virtual card details like card number, expiry date, CVV during checkout. Since it's a MasterCard, it's accepted at most major online retailers. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.